In this video, we are going to learn from the letter G to letter L. You saw in the previous video, right? From letter A to letter F. Now we are going to continue in this video the remaining letters, okay? The sound of G letter is G. The sound of letter G is G. We are drawing a girl. With letter G, we are drawing a girl. You can draw this picture in your notebook, okay? G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. And the next picture we are drawing here is goat. Now shall we write the spelling? G-O-A-T, goat. And the next picture, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. The next letter which comes after G is H. The sound of H is H. Okay? We are drawing a hat with letter H. And we are drawing a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. And the next picture is hut. H-U-T, hut. And the next letter is I. The sound of I is A. The sound of I is A. We are drawing with the letter I. We are going to write the word ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. And the next picture we are going to draw here, igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. That's right, it's ink pot. I-N-K, ink, P-O-T, pot, ink pot. And the next letter after I is J. The sound of J is J. The sound of J is J. The first picture we are drawing here with the letter J is jug. J-U-G, jug. And the next picture is jam. J-A-M, jam. And we are drawing here joker. Joker, joker. And the next letter is K. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. What is the first picture we drawn here? Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. And the second picture? Key. It is a key. K-E-Y, key. And the third picture we are drawing here is king. K-I-N-G, king. The next letter after K is L. The sound of L is ul. Ul. Okay. The first picture we drawn here, it is a leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. And the second picture is lips. L-I-P-S, lips. And the last picture we are drawing here is lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Shall we go through all the names, all the pictures? With letter G, girl, goat, grapes. With letter H, hat, horse, hut. With letter I, ice cream, igloo, ink pot. With letter J, jug, jam, joker. With letter K, kite, key, king. With letter L, leaf, lips, lotus. Let's look at the remaining letters in the next video.